Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mushroom soup pasta. First, gather your ingredients like fresh mushrooms, your favorite pasta, and a can of cream of mushroom soup. Begin by chopping your mushrooms and onions into small, uniform pieces. Then, get your pasta cooking in salted water until it's perfectly al dente, ready to absorb all those delicious flavors. Next, in a large skillet, sauté your chopped onions and minced garlic until they are wonderfully fragrant and translucent. Toss in your sliced mushrooms and cook them down until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. For an extra layer of flavor, deglaze the pan with a splash of white wine or vegetable broth, scraping up any brown bits. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, especially when you're standing in the kitchen cooking. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, they are amazing. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, it's time to create that luscious sauce. Stir in your can of cream of mushroom soup, along with about 1/2 cup of milk or cream for extra richness. Season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of dried thyme. Let the sauce simmer gently for about 5 minutes, allowing it to thicken slightly and for the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, drain your al dente pasta and add it directly into the creamy mushroom sauce. Toss everything together until every strand of pasta is thoroughly coated and heated through. Serve immediately, garnished with a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley and a generous dusting of grated Parmesan cheese. This dish is truly a comforting and easy meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.